Imagine having a magic money tree in your backyard. You plant a seed today, and over time it not only grows, but also starts sprouting new seeds, which in turn grow into more trees. This is the essence of compound interest in the stock market, a fundamental concept often hailed as the secret sauce behind wealth building. Unlike simple interest, where earnings are static, compound interest grows exponentially over time, continuously reinvesting the earnings. This powerful financial tool is not just for the wealthy or financial gurus. It's accessible to everyone. Whether you're starting with small or large amounts, compound interest can significantly expand your financial portfolio. By understanding and utilizing this concept, you can potentially transform your financial destiny, turning modest savings into a substantial nest egg. One common myth is that compound interest is only for people with a lot of money to invest. This couldn't be further from the truth. Compound interest works its magic regardless of the initial amount, making it a potent tool for anyone at any financial level. The key is consistency and time, not the amount you start with. Another misconception is that compound interest is too complex to understand. In reality, the concept is straightforward. It's essentially interest on interest. You earn returns not only on your initial investment, but also on the accumulated earnings from prior periods. The cycle of reinvesting earnings creates a snowball effect where your wealth grows faster over time. Lastly, some believe the compound interest takes too long to see any real benefits. However, the power of compound interest lies in its ability to grow wealth over time. The earlier you start, the more significant the impact. Thanks to the exponential nature of growth, even a decade can make a dramatic difference in the final outcomes. To understand compound interest, imagine you invest $1,000 in the stock market and it earns 10% annually. After the first year, you don't just have your original $1,000, you have an additional $100 in earnings, making your total $1,100. If you leave all your money invested, the next year you earn 10% on your new total, which is $110, bringing your sum to $1,210. This process continues year after year, and the increases become more substantial as your base amount grows. The longer your money remains invested, the more significant the compound growth becomes. This is why compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. It allows your investments to generate earnings from previous earnings, not just the original amount. What makes compound interest especially impactful in the stock market is the potential for higher returns compared to traditional savings accounts. While stocks are more volatile, they historically provide better returns over the long term, enhancing the effects of compounding. Section 4, Compound Interest in the Stock Market. A beginner's gold mine. For beginners, the stock market might seem intimidating, but it's actually an excellent platform for harnessing the power of compound interest. By investing in a diversified portfolio of stocks, beginners can take advantage of market growth over time while minimizing risk. This is particularly effective for long-term financial goals like retirement. Engaging in regular investments, such as through a monthly investment plan, can also amplify the benefits of compound interest. It reduces the impact of market volatility and ensures that you're continuously contributing to your investment base, which then grows through compounding. This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, helps in accumulating wealth steadily. Moreover, reinvesting dividends instead of cashing them out plays a crucial role in maximizing compound interest. Dividends can be seen as an additional layer of compounding, as they provide further funds that can be reinvested to generate their own returns. Over time, this can significantly enhance the growth of your investments. Section 5, Conclusion. The indispensable tool for financial success. Understanding and utilizing compound interest is crucial for anyone looking to build substantial wealth. It's a simple yet powerful concept that, when leveraged correctly, can transform your financial outlook. By starting early, investing consistently, and reinvesting earnings, you can benefit from the exponential growth that compound interest offers. In the journey of financial wealth building, compound interest acts like a multiplier, accelerating your progress. It's the quiet force working in the background, turning each dollar invested into multiple over time. By making compound interest a central element of your investment strategy, you ensure that every dollar is working as hard as possible for your financial future. Section 6, Call to Action. Step up your financial literacy. Now that you've seen the incredible potential of compound interest, don't stop here. Dive deeper into the world of financial literacy. Learn more about investment strategies, financial planning, and how to manage your money effectively. Engage in discussions, read books, and attend seminars. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed financial decisions and watch your investments grow. Remember, in the world of finance, knowledge truly is power.